Morning, everyone. Guess what? It started snowing. Yeah, I'll show you. Snowing a little. We have a clean house. Cause I guess the house cleaner came today, so she cleaned a little bit. But yeah, I'm gonna go down and hang out now. Just got up. I literally just got up. I don't even have my contacts in.
I think connecting all the levels together might be useful for you. I don't know if it's probably
What's up, guys? So it's actually starting to come down. Here, I'll show you. See if I can show you. It's starting to stick here. So let's see, focus. See, it's starting to stick a little. Can't really tell. Yeah, you can kind of tell. And over here, it's not sticking. But yeah, it's coming. I guess it's not supposed to really come until like noon, which it's almost noon. So it's starting to come down. Actually, it is noon, so it's probably gonna start coming down hard now. I'm gonna play some PS3 because I haven't in a while with some of my buddies. So it's a lazy bum day. Hope you guys don't mind, but I'll keep you updated on the snow. Lazy bum snowy day. So yeah. What's up, guys? So I'm gonna update you on the snow. Here, I'll show you, and then I'll start talking.
Yeah.
It is. Look at all that snow. I think it's like 2 inches, maybe more. Probably around like 4 inches so right now. But so far, there's no one on the road, and this is the most snow that we've gotten all years, pretty much. So figured I'd update you guys a little. Here, I'll show you another angle from the bathroom. Look at that. Crazy. What's up, guys? So I haven't seen you at all. We were just watching TV, and we just got it's covered. Here, I'm gonna show you. But you can't even see. You can kind of see, but look at this window. There's a lot up there. It's probably like probably a foot and a half. I know it's at least a foot. But yeah, there's a ton of snow out there now, and it hasn't even started. So we're definitely gonna get a lot of snow. So yeah. What's up, guys? So I'm gonna play some Call of Duty or something, because I'm getting ready to lose my mind. But before I do, I'm gonna show you outside. Let's look at this. There's snow. Look at all that snow. Open this up and show you outside. What's up, guys? So I can't show you because I try holding it, but it won't open. It's stuck closed shut. So I switch windows. Look at, there's snow inside the window well. It's okay. It's good snow. Yeah, look at that. I'll show you guys tomorrow more of it, but there's at least a foot on the streets and more sitting in the yards and stuff. There's a good close to 2 feet on my car outside. So I figured I'd show you guys, but I can't open the window to show you. So with that being said, I think I'm gonna go to bed. Well, I mean, not yet. Probably play some Xbox for a little, but not Xbox, some PS3 for a little. But I don't really want to do another vlog or another take, so I'm just gonna say it now. Be sure to thumb this video up, subscribe up top. If you guys are in the storm, like on the East Coast anywhere, I hope you guys are safe out there. Stay warm inside. I guess it's supposed to be even worse tomorrow when I wake up, so I'll let you know what the verdict is when I get up. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the morning. Be sure to thumb this video up, subscribe up top to see more, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night, guys. Peace out. I know I already ended the video, but I just wanted to say that tomorrow I'll do a video playing. I'll figure out a good place to play Call of Duty, and probably right there, and I'll record my gameplay. I'll probably record 1 or 2 games. Let me know. I'll probably record 1 game. If you want more, let me know, but just wanted to let you guys know that tomorrow I will do some gameplay. So yeah, be looking forward to that. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night. See you tomorrow. Peace out. So I'll look for a job then, go to employment, talk to them about it.
I'm cool with Katy Perry hooks and my cannabis verses. Long as y'all open up your wallets and purses. Say you judge a man by the ones he converse with. Those are gods, we young kings, so we perfect. First they try to step on, then they try to jerk you. Watch me turn step on from years of being earth.